Hello dear students, in this session I will explain you magnetic effect of electric current, chapter number 2 in physics. The first one is magnet. A magnet has north pole and the south pole. As you can see in the diagram, in the previous classes you must have learned the properties of the magnet. It has two pole, north property and north pole and the south pole. Now next one is properties of the magnet. Like pole of the magnet repel each other. It means north pole and north pole. Suppose this one is magnet first, this one is south pole, north pole, and this one is north pole, south pole, second magnet. So like pole means north pole and north pole repel each other. On the other hand, unlike pole attract each other. That means if it is north pole, south pole, first magnet, and this one is the second magnet, it has north and south, then this is unlike poles. One is north, another one is south, then it is attract each other. This is the basic property of the magnet. Next topic is magnetic field. Now see, this one is the magnet which have the north pole and the south pole. Then area around this magnet, the space around this magnet is said to be the magnetic field. In this field you will any object can affect some kind of magnetic force. The force exerted near this area is known as magnetic force. So the space surrounding a magnet in which magnetic force is exerted, that is called the magnetic field. Next topic is magnetic field lines. So I am going to explain this magnetic field lines with this diagram. This one is the bar magnet. This is north pole and the south pole. Magnetic field line originates from north pole and goes into the south pole. Outside of the magnet, this one is the first property. Outside of the magnet, it is originate from north pole and goes into the south pole. Second, inside the magnet, listen my point carefully. Inside the magnet, the situation is just reverse. Inside the magnet, the direction is from south pole to north pole. Outside the magnet, the direction is from north pole to south pole. But inside the magnet, the direction is south pole to north pole. Very most important point number 2. Point number third one is, suppose I have taken 2 points, this one is point P and here I am taking point Q. The point which is very close to the magnet has the greater magnetic field strength as compared to the point which is very far from this magnet. So at this point number P, the magnetic field strength is much more greater than point Q. This one is the main properties of this magnetic field lines. Next concept is electromagnetic effect. So I am going to explain you with this diagram. In chapter number first, you study the concept of electricity. So I am going to just make an electric diagram. Now this is V volt battery, resistance R, this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal of the circuit, and here the current I is flow. So according to the concept of electromagnetic effect, when the current is flowing in the circuit, it will produce a magnetic effect. That means in this area we will observe the magnetic field. In this area, when the current is flowing, we will observe some magnetic field. This concept is known as electromagnetic effect. Fine. Now read the statement. Electric current produce magnetic field. The magnetic field effect of electric current is known as electromagnetic effect. Next point, and the very most important concept, magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor. We have a current carrying conductor. Suppose this one is a current carrying conductor AB in which the current I is flowing. I have just made the half diagram. Let me complete. Plus minus 3 volt की battery with resistance R. This is part AB. So this current carrying conductor AB produce a magnetic field. the concept which I have explained to you, that is electromagnetic effect. Now the direction of this magnetic field, it depends on the direction of the flowing current. Okay, what is the direction of the magnetic field, what is the magnetic field lines, I will explain to you. So we have to study this current carrying conductor AB produce a magnetic field, first point. Second, the shape of the magnetic field line in the form of concentric circles like this, and the direction of these circles is determined by the right hand thumb rule. Okay, so now next topic is right hand thumb rule. Now read the statement first. If the current carrying conductor is held by the right hand keeping the thumb straight, and if the direction of the electric current is in the direction of the thumb, then the direction of wrapping of the other finger will show the magnetic field. This is the statement. Now I am going to explain you with the help of this diagram. Right hand thumb rule. This is my current carrying conductor in which current I is flowing. Put your right hand thumb in the direction of current. Now observe your finger. The direction of finger, it is turning. That is the direction of the magnetic field lines. Okay. So the whole concept I will explain you with the help of one small animation video. So let's just now see the magnetic field lines of a current carrying conductor. The current is flowing in north direction or in up direction. Now see, this is the direction. Suppose this one is east, west, north, south. Current is flowing in up direction or north direction. This is the direction of the current. When we apply the right hand thumb rule, how you will apply? Put your right hand thumb in the direction in which the current is flowing. You will observe the magnetic field lines. The shape of this magnetic field lines in the form of circles, and the direction is anti-clockwise. The direction is anti-clockwise. Get it? Practice this, you will be get more idea about that. So I am showing one more time. Now see, the direction is anti-clockwise. So I think this right hand thumb rule is clear to you. That's all for this session. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.